what's inside Super Nintendo Classic Edition. Let's find out. Let's start the video, guys. Here today I bring you this Super Nintendo, the Classic Edition. As you guys can see, there is no cartridge slot. Also, the eject button is just a mimic of the original. These buttons just kind of like go up and down to power on, power off. The remote control input is just this cover. You open, you can kind of see where the remote control goes, right there. We're gonna put our hands on it and we're gonna open this and see what's inside. Or just in case one of these components breaks, you're gonna be able to fix it. All right, let's find out. We see these 4 pieces of rubbers. We're gonna remove those. If that doesn't work, I'm gonna use one of like this nail cleaner, something like that. Okay. Oh wow, this worked perfect. 2, 3, 4. We're gonna use our Phillips screwdriver. We're gonna remove there is 4 screws. All right. So we got 4 screws out. So now what I'm gonna do is I have this guitar pick and I'm gonna start to just kind of opening from the back to the front. Okay, let me just open this, and this piece is gonna just open like voila. It's just gonna open like this. That's the whole component on this device. So as you guys can see, the remote controls are separately by cables. So it seems like if one of them breaks, it can be easily replaced. The remote control input, there you go. We have 2 of them, and we have also one single cable, flex cable right here, as you guys can see, for the reset and the power button. All right, and we see like very basic technology right here, like using stream. There you go. We're gonna unplug the remote controls, lift it, and there we go. That's how it's gonna come off. Same thing. I'm gonna just help myself with this screwdriver and lift the connection. Then we have 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 screws. So we're just gonna remove those. Okay, after removing those 5 screws, we're just gonna lift the motherboard. That's it, guys. This is where everything is happening. Okay, that's why people is hacking this one, putting more games and stuff. It doesn't seem so complicated. So we have this metal plate which is glued to the one of the components inside. As you can see, we can replace the power supply source, which is the charging port connector right here. Very simple. It's only 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 connections. And also, in case we break the HDMI connector, it also can be replaced very easily with just a little bit of soldering. Let me just go close, and you guys can see right here. That's all we have on this Super Nintendo Classic. So to remove this other cable right here for the power on and off system, we just have to wiggle from one side to the other on this little board. Even the motherboard can be easily replaced. So I'm gonna just plug this back in. and I'm going to sit this one back on place. Remote controls inputs, it's 2 of them, and we're gonna put the 5 screws back. And there we go, guys. And to close this, we just very simple, just close down the same way you open it up, and just flip it, and we're gonna put the 4 screws that we took off. We're gonna place our little cushions so it doesn't get scratched or it doesn't move when we are playing. It's 4 of them. Make sure don't lose these little things, another way it's gonna look pretty ugly. Alright, there you go. Just one more. Alright, that's it, guys. As you guys can see, that was just a quick video and what's inside Super Nintendo Classic Edition. It's not as big as the original, but believe me, I've been having fun with this. And if you guys are gamers, you know what I mean. So there you go, guys. I hope you like the video. I hope you take advantage of this knowledge, and alright, see you in the next one. Bye.